Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 of my best clay hacks. They are so easy but can be really helpful. So let's get started with the first one. When cutting a clay cake, the layers can end up being smushed together like this. And this was something that happened to me all the time when I was a beginner, and it can be really annoying. But there is a very simple solution to this that I recently started using. And that is to just leave it in the refrigerator for a few minutes and then cut it with a thin knife. The cold temperatures will make the clay harder, and therefore it will not smudge like soft clay does. And the result is a really nice looking piece of cake. So the next tip is all about glazing. I find that one of the hardest things to glaze are really small items without an eye pin to hold onto. Most of the time I end up spilling glaze on my fingers and the result gets uneven. But you can solve this really easily by sticking a thin knife or a needle to the bottom, and this will give you something to hold on to while glazing and drying it. And the thing you're doing will obviously end up having a tiny little hole in the bottom, but most times I find that this doesn't really matter anyways. And the last tip is about glitter. I think that most people who have used clay and glitter knows that the glitter usually ends up everywhere and cleaning it up can be a little bit annoying. But by using a muffin tin you can avoid this situation. Just cut off the edges a bit and pour the glitter into it. And now you can even dip your piece into the glitter, and once you are done you can just pour back the glitter into its container again. And that was all 3 tips for today's video. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more clay inspiration and fun DIY videos. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas for future videos. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!